Today I'm going to show you how to thin okra. I use scissors to thin my okra. So what you need to do here is choose the smaller okra sprouts that look weak. When you find the sproutling that looks weaker, simply cut it as close as you can to the ground and throw away the clipping. I like to wiggle them around a little bit, looking at the stalks, looking at the petals, just to see which one might look weaker. There will be times also when you have seeds that are together, two very close together, and I simply just cut one of those out. The biggest thing here to remember is to not clip out too many. You want to allow for some that are going to die because of heat or drought. Just remember you can always come back later and do this again as needed.